Bullying. Human is a social creature and live happily together with each other. But people often get angry when things do not happen according to them. Due to this, they tend to hurt themselves and their surroundings. This reaction seems to be normal once or twice, but ongoing aggression and humiliation of someone by words, actions, and power is called bullying. It is the use of force to abuse or intimidate somebody over a long period of time. Their behavior is often repetitive and habitual to spread menace. It is distinguished in conflicts because of the imbalance of physical and social powers. It may be in one to one or one to more person, which is known as mobbing. Family, friends, neighborhood, and society are not untouched from bullying. In short, it is a problem of relationship. Here are some ways through which bullying occurs. Physical bullying. It is most obvious among other bullying and is the easiest type to identify bully and victim. It occurs in schools when kids want to use their physical actions to gain power and control over their targets. Such intimidated actions are kicking, tripping, hitting, punching, pushing, and beating someone. Also, stealing and damaging property. Verbal bullying. Perpetrators of verbal bullying use rude words, name calling, and bad statements to suppress their target. The bully always keeps an eye on all details of behavior, look, and action of the victim to humiliate and exploit by manipulating the comments. Social bullying. It is also known as covert bullying, which is designed consistently exclude the person from society and share his personal images, spread rumors, and false information to spoil their social reputation. It is hard to recognize the bully. It can be carried out behind the bullied person's back. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is digital harassment of someone using online electronic devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. Hate emails and rude messages on cell phones and aggressive chats and personal videos are posted on different social media sites to embarrass someone. How bullying is dangerous. All of us take bullying as a normal part of our life. We should take urgent actions to prevent it because with time it becomes very harmful for the victim as well as the bully. A person is bullied due to some unique traits like being too tall or short, fair or dark color, low background, backbenchers, short-tempered, and disabilities. These people do not accept being a bully. Some people are very scared of rebelling against the bully, so they suffer from anxiety and mental problems. Some don't understand why the bully is targeting them, so the victim starts to blame themselves. Ultimately, they change their unique characteristic to prevent bullying. At last, their physical and mental state both are affected. Students who bully also lose their interest in education and often pretend to fake sickness to skip the school. Bully can cause fights and can even murder someone. Bully is too much that it can kill themselves over the simplest of things, that is, when the things get too extreme, they tend to commit suicide. Laws and sanctions. The Republic Act number 10627, or also known as the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, are considered for victims of bullying. The Anti-Bullying Act ensures that these cases will no longer fall on deaf ears. Cyberbullying laws. Section 66A. Sending offensive messages through communication service, etc. Section 66D. Cheating by personation by using the computer resource. Section 67B. Punishment for publishing or transmitting of material depicting children in any sexually explicit act, etc. in electronic form. Section 503. Indian Penal Code IPC. Sending threatening messages through email. Section 509 IPC word. Gesture or act intended to insult the modesty of a woman. Section 499 IPC. Sending defamatory messages through email. Causes of bullying. There is no single reason to this problem, There are lots of reasons by which children and adults tend to bully or be bullied. Poor upbringing is also the reason for bullying, where they are not taught to be sensitive about the feeling of another person. In the digital platform, violent games and movies leave a deep impact on their behavior and habits. Effects of bullying. Kids who bully at school are unable to focus on their studies and use their energy to dominate over their peers and also try to have their control over them. As time passes, they become less educated. They have fewer job opportunities due to lower academic qualifications and short temper. They have low social status due to no good jobs and low income. Due to short temper and misbehavior, bullies are unable to work at one place for a long time as they easily get into fights and arguments. They face difficulties in making friends. Moreover, they face relationship problems with their partner. In such situations, they become more vulnerable to mental health problems like anxiety, depression, post traumatic disorder, and personality disorder. How to prevent bullying? Schools and workplaces should have properly implemented laws which would help to prevent bullying among people. The teachers should also teach the students to recognize bullying. It helps them to not join in which they find themselves as a bystander where others are bullied. At schools, colleges, and other workplaces, staff should be trained so that they can help those who are at a risk of being bullied. Laws of discrimination and harassment should be applied widely as it would help in preventing bullying. Students should be made aware of all do's and don'ts related to bullying so that if they come across any such situation, it can help them to get rid of the situation. Opportunities, access, and boredom leads to bullying. Competition of upgrading one's status and looking at others' success on social media are other reasons. Victims become very scared, frustrated, angry, physically and mentally disturbed, watch online activities, and spend more time with their teenager kids and adolescents.